Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on uploading longer Instagram Reels. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open Instagram and tap the plus at the top. Then tap Reel in the bottom right. Tap Length from the left side menu. You can now choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds and 90 seconds. Choose the length that you would like and then record your reel. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.